We are now going to make the main, and we are going to do 17 chains. So you start with a slip knot, insert your hook, pull the tail, and then we'll make 17 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Alright, so now we are going to work in rows. So that means it will be on top of this current row, which is a foundation chain. So we'll be doing the half double crochet on top of the foundation chain. So starting from the second chain from the hook, and in every stitch across, we are going to do 16 half double crochet. So that means we are going to find the second chain from your hook, which is the second V that you can see over here. And we are going to do half double crochet. So we have to yarn over first, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through the loop, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So on to the next stitch, we are going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So we'll keep repeating all the way to the end. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. Yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. So after you have completed the last half double crochet, you can end it off over here. So cut the yarn and pull the yarn tail through the last stitch all the way, gently twist the main and it will curl. So I just pull this out and cut it. So this time I don't need to cut it too long, just about a finger's length will do. So after you cut it, pull the loop out of the stitch, and this is your main. So it will curl naturally if your tension is not too tight or too loose. So this is just nice and it will auto curl. So this is the main and the tail is the same. So I'll be working on the tail. So the tail is shorter than the main. It's just 11 chains. So we'll make 11 chains. And then we'll be working in rows again, starting from the second chain from the hook and in every stitch across. So we'll be making 10 half double crochet. So the first chain, second chain, and we are going to yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through, yarn over and pull through all the 3 loops. And you repeat all the way to the end. So after completing, you do the same. Cut it away about a finger's length. Pull the loop out. And that's it. And now you have a short tail. Yep, so you can make the mane and tail in different colors. It can be the colors that you see over here, or you can just use the colors that you like best. You can even just put in one color. So it's up to you how you want to design your unicorn to have a certain color.